Hello, now you have a working tic-tac-toe game. Where do you go from here? What extras can you implement? What else can you do with this game that you created? There are a bunch of things. Let's just run our game and let's just go through some extras and some extra tasks that you can do to help and reinforce your learning and some just general cool stuff. At the moment, we've got a great working game. We've got AI, but no audio. Implement audio. Implement that into the asset manager as well. So you can load audio into the asset manager, so you can play at certain points, maybe when a button is clicked, maybe when you place a piece, maybe when I lose, maybe when I win, maybe when I do loads of different things. Now we can also have contextual game over screens. What you could do is, because at the moment, if let's say I were to win, this is what happens when I win. I get this screen. This is the screen that appears when I lose. This is also the screen that appears when I draw. Have it unique to each different state. So you could simply just put some text that says won, lost, or draw, or have it even more unique. Create some art if you're really into art. Do that. Modify the pause menu to have a retry button. At the moment, it's got a play and a home button. Try and extend our positioning code or implement your own sort of positioning algorithm to add a retry button. Originally, if you remember, the game was actually two-player before AI. Then we removed that feature because we wanted AI in there. Bring that feature back and actually have two modes, one for AI and one for two players. What you could also do is track the statistics and have a stats page. Maybe have some sort of button like a gear icon or something to take you to a stats or settings page. And then you can see how many times the user placed a piece, how many times they've lost, how many times they've drawn, how many times they've won, even how many times they've clicked the play button. It'll be all good stuff. Have a settings page to do stuff like change pieces and themes. Add unlockables as well, which you could have maybe if you win the game 5 times, you could have a different theme. Randomize the AI movements, because if you watch, if I put a piece here, yes, the condition is to put it into the corner, but there's 2 corners available. And yes, it needs to block me, but there's 2 equally viable blockable positions that would essentially provide the same result. Randomize the AI a bit. That's going to be a bit more difficult, but it'll be great for your learning. Add some sort of difficulty level. That's a bit more daring, but that could go hand in hand with improving the AI. What you could do is have an easy difficulty where the AI simply places a piece anywhere where there's an empty space. Then you could have an increase in difficulty, like a medium one, where the AI places a piece if it can win, but then the maximum difficulty could be how it is now. And then finally, have some animations. At the moment, pieces just get placed. There's no sort of animation. Make them fade in. We've showed you the code to actually change alpha, implement that into some sort of loop using the clock, so it actually fades in and fades out. It fades between the 2 different images. That would be fantastic. So that's it for this series. As usual, if you have questions, feel free to post them on my educational platform, sonarlearning.co.uk. And if you wanted to check out the source code from every or any video in this series, feel free. There will be a link with this video to the GitHub page. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your development journey.